I mean, you might see them wrestling against the guys, but they're definitely taking what they do to another level.
Hi, I'm Gail Kim, and this is my story. From the first DVD to this DVD, I just can tell you it's going to be a world of difference, because I can remember just begging and begging the company, please let us wrestle, please let us wrestle. And I think it was our very first girls match. It was Tracy and I, and we worked after the show was done, and we were just so grateful to be having a match. And then that was the match that was put on the DVD. So now we have a whole compilation of matches that we could put on there with, you know, we went from 5 girls to, 18 to 20 girls overnight. I mean, it's just unbelievable at how fast the division has grown. Favorite moment, of course, is winning the TNA Women's Championship title. It was that moment in my career that just, everything I worked so hard for, that was the moment that made it all worth it. Because it was kind of like that struggle of not just making it to this point, but begging for this women's division, and then it all happening, and having a first title come to this company is just everything you could possibly wish for. Favorite match, I'm gonna have to say, is my match with Awesome Kong at Final Resolution. It was a no disqualification match. The crowd reaction, it's everything, you know, when you're a kid and you watch and you are into all these matches. You know, I watched Bret Hart and, you know, British Bulldogs and Tito Santana as a kid, and when you're just so into it, and that's what I could feel from the crowd that day. And it was an unbelievable high. From the guys that we work with, the roster, they respect us so much, and we can really feel it. And I think that's part of the reason why we work so hard and why we get so motivated, because they actually watch our matches and give us feedback and, you know, tell us that was an amazing match. And, you know, everyone needs that kind of praise. When they point something out like that to you, that they notice that you work just as hard as them, that means the world to us. I'm pretty much lately been on the road so much that I don't have a lot of spare time. My free time, I just like to really hang out with my girlfriends, and most of my girlfriends are out of state, so I do a lot of traveling. So I'll go out to California, I'll go, you know, back home to Toronto, and I just try to make the time that's not wrestling, not about wrestling, basically. You know, you want to take that time and take a break. I think the reason why the fans embrace the TNA Knockouts is, one, I think they really respect what we do now because they've seen that we really bring it when we're in the ring. I also believe that there wasn't a strong women's division anywhere in North America, so they weren't used to seeing something like that. I think their expectations were just kind of like, okay, whatever, you know, bra and panty match, bikini match, or, you know, just girly matches, you know, whatever that you think that they would expect. And then I think when we started putting on these types of matches, the quality of the matches, I think they were shocked. I think they were blown away. And it's definitely different. They haven't seen that in a really, really long time. If ever, I believe. You know, I have fans coming up to me at different appearances, and they'll say, man, you girls are just, I haven't seen wrestling in North America from women like that, either ever or in a very, very long time. So I think it's a refreshing change. A year from now with the TNA Knockouts Women's Division, I think we're pretty much coasting right now in terms of producing matches and the quality of matches and the physicality of the matches. So I can't see us getting any worse. You know, we've raised the bar, and I think everyone feels the pressure to kind of keep it up there. And, you know, if they didn't give us this chance, I probably would have still be managing and wasting my talent away. So I'm just so grateful.